Alright folks, these are going to be some quick instructions for if you want to turn in your models to be 3D printed. Alright, this is an optional step, but if you want to be able to take your puzzle actually home with you, then you need to go through these steps to get them to me so that I can print them on the 3D printers. So for each part, we're going to right click on the tab down below, and we are going to say export. As far as the file name is concerned, you can leave it as part 1 or whatever you named it, but please add your last name after that. For the format, you need to select STL. For the STL format, binary is fine. For units, it has to be in millimeters. For resolution, medium is fine. And then the options that we want to use are download. And we're going to say OK. We're going to go through that process for each one of these. Once you're moving on to your next one, the only thing you're going to need to do is change your title. Okay, so Ashline. Okay, so now you can see I have all my parts down at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all named Ashline at the end. Now it's time to run into Gmail. So in Gmail, you're going to send this to me. For the subject, you're going to put your last name, the period number, well, just last name, and then puzzle is fine. That's fine. Then you're just going to take and drag your parts into here. Okay, so we have part 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. They all have my name. Again, the subject needs to be Ashline Puzzler or your last name and then the puzzle. And then you're going to send that to me. Okay, and then I'm going to take these emails and I'm going to take all of your parts and I will bring them into the 3D printing software, and then I will print up your individual parts. Each set of parts takes about 40 minutes. I have 2 3D printers, so depending on how many people I have, you know, it's going to take me probably a couple weeks to be able to get together everybody's done. But like, they'll move along pretty quick here, and we'll get them back to you as soon as possible. All right, so if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, but that's how you're going to export your parts for 3D printing.